Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your AirPods are charged and in the case with the lid open so they broadcast. On Windows, open Settings, go to Devices, then Bluetooth and other devices. Turn Bluetooth on if it is off, then click Add Bluetooth or other device and choose Bluetooth. This starts scanning. Once done, the PC looks for nearby accessories, so make sure the AirPods case is close and the status light is blinking to indicate pairing mode. When Windows lists AirPods, select them immediately. You should hear a connect sound or see connected. You may need to wait while drivers install. Windows handles this automatically. Be patient and avoid moving the case away. After connection, open Sound Settings and set AirPods as the default output and input if you want microphone use. Make sure the audio profile is the correct one for calls versus high-quality audio, because Windows can switch profiles and affect sound quality if not configured. Finally, test audio playback and the microphone in a simple app to confirm both work. If you run into issues, reset the AirPods by holding the case setup button about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white, which clears old pairings. Once reset, repeat the add device steps. If problems persist, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or remove the AirPods entry from Bluetooth settings and re-add. This clears driver handshake problems and usually resolves stubborn connection failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.